to my channel, guys. How are you everyone there? Today I am going to show you the things that makes me busy today. On my stay home mode, so this is what I've done. I made my DIY decoration. This is the vase, so it is made of wood. So I gathered the wood that I am using. So that is the flat base of my vase, and this is the body of my vase. So I paint them. I used black and white paint and spread it, and that is how it looks. So this wood right there, the gray one, it was the roots from my trumpet flower. That flower's dead, so I save the roots and keep it aside and make it dry. So when it dries up, I remove the skin of it, I sand it, and then I painted it, and that is the roots of my trumpet flower. So these flowers right there, I got this from the Michael store. I used the wire string to put on that flowers. So my butterfly right there, it is a piece of my fabric. I cut it and shape it like a butterfly and tie it around. So this is my DIY I was made during my stay-at-home mode. I hope you guys got some ideas on what are you going to do during this bored time.